Hi, I'm Madhuri Sarda, a counseling psychologist and a clinical hypnotherapist, and this is Ananta's YouTube channel. Here we'll be talking a lot about emotional and mental wellness, and more so specifically about how hypnotherapy helps to reprogram our mind. Psychology for me has never been just about understanding problems. It is about helping people reconstruct the way they experience themselves and their lives. Because when you begin to shift with your thoughts, your beliefs, or your emotional patterns, actually, you don't merely resolve difficulties. Rather, you open up the doors to entire new possibilities of living. In our work, we use multiple psychological modalities, but one of the best and the most powerful among them is clinical hypnotherapy. It is the one which allows us to understand something deeply fundamental, the activities and the architecture of your inner pattern. You see, most of our thoughts, emotions, and behavioral responses are not consciously created. Basically, they are formed very early in life through experiences, environments, more so the relationships, often without our awareness. And once formed, they just shape us very quietly from the lens through which we begin to perceive ourselves, others, and the world around us. So, when we speak about psyche, we are essentially referring to the mind. Think of the brain as the hardware, the physical, which is visible structure, but the mind, which is the software, it is invisible yet very, very profound. It is because this is that part which truly runs your life. And this mind largely operates on an autopilot method, not only regulating our body processes, but our emotional reactions, our habits, our decisions, all are based on the conditioning and the coding which is received over the time. But here is the most important part which people are not even aware. This is that internal coding that does not automatically gets updated. So many individuals continue to run the repeated limiting self-critical patterns without knowing what is happening with them. And if you are really looking to change and wish to change lives, then working only on the external is never enough. We need to gently actually turn inwards and update the internal programming that is shaping our reality. So through this psychological work, and especially through hypnotherapy, I would say we create awareness of the unconscious patterns, but more importantly we create the space to transform, because the moment the mind begins to shift, the way you experience life begins to change completely. It starts shifting. Let me simply explain you this with the help of an example. Think of your brain as the hardware, the physical structure which you can see actually, and your mind as the software, the invisible system that runs everything in your life. So, this software is your mind, which begins to get programmed very early in life throughout what is controlling you, and it is only based on the experiences what you have heard, seen, felt, and slowly you never know that this starts getting developed, and the way of thinking, feeling, responding all comes from this space. You are trying to consciously condition yourself, but you are not choosing it consciously. This choice is becoming unconscious. Yeah. So the way you need to respond to stress, the fear, the crazy lifestyle, or maybe the anxiety that you're fighting, it is not conscious. It is a very, very deep subconsciously written pattern in your subconscious mind. And just like any other software, it is not updated on its own. It continues to run your life based on the old program that got inscribed into it. And hence, you are trying to run In life, you unknowingly you are trying to find alternative meaning, but this is not happening because you are quietly sabotaging yourself. So when you find yourself asking, what or why is this happening to me? Perhaps the deeper question should be, what is that program that is running from me within? And that's where the psychology and the hypnotherapy come in. They help you to pause, they help you to become aware, and most importantly, they help you to understand the inner programming that's working in life. And that's where an upgradation is needed. Because remember, the moment your mind think and believe, the programming happens and it brings changes. You experience your life effectively from that very day and inevitably begins to change. If you are ready to understand your mind at a deeper level and learn what is there and how can you change, how can you make life better, then your journey starts from there. If you like this content and if you liked my matter, then please do subscribe so that I come up with more new programs, with more new information about the working of your mind and how to make life better. Also, I would like to read some of your comments so that I prepare my next video accordingly and help you to navigate life beautifully. Waiting for your comments.